Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, I got a Carnival Cruise Line story for you today. Finally, something that has nothing to do with protocols, updates, or changes. Instead, this is something new from Carnival Cruise Lines. So Carnival Cruise Lines, they have announced a new cruising concept called Costa by Carnival that is going to be for sailings here in the United States. So starting in the spring of 2023, the Costa Venezia, and I'm probably going to butcher these cruise ship names, so forgive me, my Italian is non-existent here, but it's Venezia, Venezia. Hopefully that is correct. But she is going to be coming here in the spring of 2023 and is going to be sailing from New York. Then in the spring of 2024, the Costa Firenze, I think, Firenze. Well, she is going to be coming to Long Beach, California to do sailings from there. Now, these ships, they are going to be crewed by Carnival crew members. Carnival says they're going to bring their entertainment, their food. The loyalty program is also going to be on these. The Carnival loyalty program, not the Costa, is going to be on these ships. And like I said, it's going to be all Carnival crew, but they're not going to make any changes to these ships. So they're still going to be Italian style. They're still going to have the blue and yellow funnels. They're still going to say Costa on the side. It's just going to be Costa by Carnival. So if you've ever wanted to sail on a Costa ship, kind of, sail Italian style with the Italian designs, the Italian themes, then this is going to be your opportunity to sail on one of these two ships here from the United States. Now, the specific itineraries and when you're going to be able to book these particular cruises. Okay, now, when they do become available, you are going to be booking them through Carnival.com. So just the way you book any Carnival cruise now, whether it's the Freedom, the Mardi Gras, the Breeze, the Panorama, however you book a regular Carnival cruise through Carnival.com, travel agent, whatever the case may be, that is how you're going to book these cruises as well. And the loyalty program that you currently have, whatever level you are with Carnival now, so if you're, diamond, platinum, gold, red, whatever the case may be, if you book one of these cruises, that's still going to be your loyalty level on those cruises. It's going to count as another Carnival cruise, even though it's going to be on a Costa ship. And I said, and this is different than what they are doing with the Luminosa. That ship is going to get changed. It's going to go into dry dock. It's going to be updated. It is going to get the Carnival 2.0 Fun Ship upgrades at some point in time. And it's going to cease being a Costa ship altogether. These two ships are they're still going to be Costa ships. They're not going to change anything on these ships. They're just going to kind of like on loan to Carnival, for an undisclosed amount of time. And they're going to be operated by Carnival Cruise Lines. But it's two ships that we don't have here in the United States with designs that we don't have here in the United States from Carnival, to get that Italian styling, the decor, that is on these ships that, primarily sail over in Europe. So it's going to be a new opportunity for us here. Something different, something new to look at, especially if you sailed like on every Carnival ship already, you've already almost finished the fleet, you're repeating some ships, you want to try something new but be loyal to Carnival. This is going to be your opportunity and your chance to do just that. So what do you guys think? Are you going to be interested in booking on board these two ships? Is this something you're looking forward to and something you're going to want to try? Personally, I would want to try it. I think when she arrives out in Long Beach in 2024, that might be exactly what I need to get out to California, because sailing on a Costa ship, well, that's not something that we have an abundance of here in the United States. So it definitely will be something new. All right, I hope everybody has enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Of course, lets you know anytime we put out a new video. And we are trying to reach a goal of 10,000 subscribers by the end of this November for our 2-year channel anniversary. So we really appreciate the support. Thank you in advance for everybody that subscribes. And of course, thank you to everybody that already has. Hope everyone out there has a really great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.